Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Rumi and today I am going to be sharing with you some of my tips and tricks which helped me to lose weight last year. Actually, I was never unhappy with my weight. It's just that because of lockdown, as we all are guilty of the same thing, I was also sitting at home eating a lot of stuff, and that's why I gained a couple of pounds. And if you guys have been following me since a long time, you might be knowing that my channel is basically upon Indian fashion, lifestyle, and I love to do videos on those topics. But last year around this time, I was planning to do a video on how to style a black t-shirt, a basic black t-shirt in 5 different ways. And when I went ahead and did my photo shoot, I was not very happy with the outcome. I had gained a couple of pounds, so I was not happy the way I was looking at that time. So I said, okay, I have to do something about it and I have to take the matter in my own hands. So this is what I did, and I followed clothing exercise. I'm sure you guys must have seen that video of mine. That is the most viewed, most commented, most liked video of mine on my channel. And then I followed couple of diets just to lose weight and try to see which one of all those diets worked the best for me. So yeah, here I am with all my tips and tricks to share with all of you guys. So if you guys are interested, keep on watching. First of all, I would like to say I have been trying to respond to all of your messages. Thank you so much for your awesome love and support, for all the beautiful messages you guys have been sending me and all the questions. I am reading each and every one of them and I've been trying to reply to them as soon as possible. But then I thought, okay, let me just go ahead and do this video which will help all of you and probably answer most of your questions. So the first question which I have been getting a lot is, are you able to maintain that weight which you have lost? I had lost around 8 to 9 kgs in 2 to 3 months of time, and I was quite happy with that. Now what I'm doing, I'm trying to maintain that weight. So if you guys have watched my Fat to Fab non-veg diet review, I am continuing that diet because I really love the outcome of that diet plan. Out of all the diet review plans which I did on my channel, that was the best. I would say I am a die-hard non-vegetarian fan, so I'm getting to eat non-veg every day. Oh my god, that's a plus point for me. But if you guys are vegetarian, don't worry, you can definitely go ahead and follow the veg diet plan. So all the diet plans, all the recipes and everything is already mentioned under my playlist called weight loss. So don't worry, if you guys have not yet watched or if you want to refer to one particular video, I will link them in the description box below for you guys. So don't worry about that. So that is the one diet which I'm following right now, and it is really working wonders for me. It is helping me to maintain weight. Next question which I've been getting is, are you still continuing the Chloe Ting's exercise, which I have spoken about? Yes, I am definitely doing it and I have plans to continue it as long as possible. So when I posted that video, a lot of you guys have commented that Chloe Ting's flat abs challenge is not just one exercise but a series of exercises. Thank you so much for that. I was not aware of that fact, and now I have been doing like 2 sets of exercises per day, and sometimes just that one single exercise which you guys have already seen the video. Yeah, and that has helped me so much along with the diet. So as you guys already know, diet is like 80% of your weight loss journey and 20% is exercise. So diet is very, very important, guys. Both play an equal important role, but I would say diet plays a little bit more role when it comes to weight loss. You cannot just eat anything and everything you want. You have to eat healthy meals. And when I first started in my weight loss journey, I have tried all kinds of diets, but nothing worked for me. This was the only thing which really worked, and that's why I plan to stick to it. And the veg diet is equally awesome if you guys are vegetarian, and if you guys are non-vegetarian, you can follow the non-veg diet as well. And exercise, I already spoke about. I'm doing the clothing exercise. So these two are really helping me to lose weight. And the third thing is motivation, guys. You need to motivate yourself to continue doing those two things. So for me, for my case, when I first started, I did the lose 10 kg in 15 days fat to fab diet, and I didn't lose 10 kgs, let's be honest. I lost, I would say, 2 kgs maybe, but it was because I was very busy, and I couldn't follow each and everything mentioned in the diet, so that's why I couldn't lose that much. But when I lost those 2 kgs in 15 days, oh my god, that was such a big thing for me, such a big achievement for me. My husband got motivated and he said, okay, I'm also interested, show me what you are doing and I will do the same. So he is the biggest source of motivation. He also joined me in my weight loss journey, so both of us are doing the same clothing exercise and we are following the same diet. He has lost a lot of pounds, oh my god. He looks so fit and feels so great. He's a nurse practitioner, so all his patients are commenting him about his looks, and he really loves it, he enjoys it. So yeah, that's my number 3 pointer, motivation. So if you have someone in your family who can encourage you, who can motivate you, or better if he or she can do the same diet plan as you, I would say you can definitely go ahead and enjoy your weight loss journey. So yeah, that's that. And yeah, next question which I have been getting a lot, some people have asked like, what do you eat for your cheat meals? So that I will cover in my next video, because I don't want to make this video super long. Don't worry, I'll mention whatever I have been eating as my cheat meals in my next video. Don't forget to check it out. So yeah, that's all for today. I hope you guys really enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with all your friends and family, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Until next time, bye bye, and have a beautiful day ahead. Bye and Happy New Year.